welcome back to my channel. This is Isha and I hope you all are staying happy and safe at your homes. So the today next video is about the chapter Diversity in Living Organisms. In this lecture, in this video, we are going to see about biodiversity and a little introduction about kingdom Plantae and Animalia and some flowcharts what we have studied till now. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like the videos. So let's get started. So what is biodiversity? Biodiversity, this is a very small part in your textbooks, but it is as well as very important as the chapter is the diversity of living organisms. So what does biodiversity means? It means diversity of life forms. There are very diverse life forms present on this planet, this earth. Now, it is a word commonly used to refer a variety of life forms which are found in a particular area or a particular region. Now, diverse life forms share the environment and they are affected by each other too. So each and every animal is dependent on each other. There is diverse of life forms which is present in this environment and they are affected by each other. Now, biodiversity describes the richness and the variety of life on earth. Now, it is the most complex and important feature of our planet. So without this biodiversity, life would not exist, or it would not sustain. So this biodiversity is very, very important and it is very complex as well, as there are many variety of life forms present in this platform, in this earth. Now the term biodiversity was coined in 1985. It is important as natural as artificial ecosystems. It deals with nature's variety, the biosphere, and it also refers to variabilities among plants, animals, and microorganisms species. So there are very different importance of biodiversity. It is natural as well as artificial ecosystems present. It also deals with nature's variety, that is biosphere, and variabilities among plants, animals, and microorganisms species. There are very diversities there. So now biodiversity includes the number of different organisms and their relative frequencies in an ecosystem. It also reflects the organization of an organisms at different levels. So there are different levels of this biodiversity where it has been organized properly, so as each organism is dependent upon each other. Now therefore it is very important to have a good knowledge of biodiversity for a sustainable livelihood. So this is about biodiversity, that it is a variety of life forms are present on this planet. Now next, going forward, is about a little introduction about kingdom Plantae and Animalia. From the next videos we are going to start kingdom Plantae and we are going to see what all characterizations, classifications, examples are going to be there in it. So Plantae, the kingdom Plantae, they all are multicellular eukaryotes with a cell wall. That is, they are autotrophs and use of chlorophyll for photosynthesis are also present. So this is only just a point to be noted that these all are there in kingdom Plantae. We are going to see. Next is kingdom Animalia. So they are multicellular eukaryotes without the cell walls, as you all know, and they all are heterotrophs. All kingdom Animalia, they are heterotrophs. Now what we have studied till now is about five kingdom classification, about prokaryotes, eukaryotes. The prokaryotes are the moneras and the eukaryotes, which are unicellular, are the protists, and the eukaryotes, they are with the cell wall is fungi and Plantae. Without cell wall is about Animalia. So we are going to see kingdom Plantae and Animalia, but kingdom Monera, Protista, and Fungi, we have seen those in the early videos. So if you want to see those videos, I'll provide the link below in the description. Monera. So in Monera, we have seen they are unicellular organisms. They are the protist. they are the prokaryotes. So in them, we have seen the classification of archaebacteria, eubacteria, and cyanobacteria. Next, we have seen the protista. Protista, they are the eukaryotes. They have the cell wall, protozoan, slime mouse. Sorry, they are the unicellular. Protista, they are the unicellular, and the classification which we saw in them was protozoan, slime mouse, crassophytes, dinoflagellates, and euglenoids. Next comes the kingdom fungi. They have a cell wall. They are multicellular. Phycomycetes are there, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, and deuteromycetes. Now, in kingdom Plantae, we are going to see 5 classifications, that is thallophyte, bryophyte, pteridophyte, angiosperms, and gymnosperms. So these will be the 5 classifications. We are going to see them in brief. Till now, it was not very much in brief about Monera, Protista, fungi, but from now onwards, it is little bit with brief, as it is a basic and it forms a basic line of all the chapters further what we are going to study. Next is Animalia. Now the Animalia is basically divided into two. In this environment, we have two types of animals. That is, they are vertebrates, and the second one is non-vertebrates. So we are going to see what is vertebrates and non-vertebrates from the coming lectures. But for now, you have to remember there are two kinds of Animalia which is present, that is vertebrates and non-vertebrates. The invertebrate animals, the classification are like Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Photochordata. So these are the classification which we are going to see in invertebrates. Next, in vertebrates, we are going to see Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, mammals, about these. So in this video, it's still this, and the biodiversity introduction about Little Kingdom, Plantae and Animalia. And from the next video, we are going to be starting thoroughly about Kingdom Plantae and in very brief. So yeah, I hope this is clear to you all about this. It was just a little introduction. So yeah, thank you for now, and please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any doubts, any queries, any questions, you can please mention down in the comment section below. Yeah, so thank you.